Hey there, my name is Dawn Hutchins, and in today's video, we're gonna make one of my favorite easy dressings that requires no special equipment to make it, other than you just need a jar to mix it. And it is a balsamic Dijon maple dressing I add a little bit of fresh garlic. And this was originally called 3-2-1 dressing by Jane Esselstyn. And today we are going to learn how to make that. So I have some balsamic vinegar, some Dijon mustard, and some maple syrup from Trader Joe's. But you can find these simple ingredients from Walmart, from really any of your local grocery stores. So here's how we're going to make it. I've got my jar, and you can use any jar. You can even use, if you have an empty Dijon mustard jar, you could use that. So I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. So that's the 3-2-1. Now, I'm gonna give you a little secret. I actually doubled this recipe because I love it, but in its simple form, it's just 3 parts, 2 parts, 1 part. So you can double it and use 6 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons. Then I'm gonna add some minced garlic. I just did 1 clove of garlic. So this is what a bulb of garlic looks like. And you just take one, you open it up, and it's got all this papery skin on the outside. You take that off, and then it has these little cloves of garlic that you peel, and you just chop that up. So I chopped that up, and I'm just gonna throw that in. And now I'm just going to shake it up. So I'm gonna put my top on. And that's it, that's all you need. And it's tangy and it's a little sweet and it's so flavorful from the fresh garlic. I think you guys are gonna love this. It is delicious on salads, on grain bowls, on anything you wanna put it on. So this is a great first dressing or sauce to try. I hope you like it, and I'll see you in the next video.